Okay, gonna have a go at shortest handle I've ever used. It's shorter than my knife. My knife is just a little over 4 inches, and it's shorter than my index finger. Let's have a go. Had to clamp the equipment slightly differently so I can get my hands down level with it. Otherwise, if I use my foot or my leg to clamp it, it gets in the way. Difficulty is keeping the drill upright because there's such a small amount in your hand, it tends to want to roll over, so you have to keep fighting to keep it upright. Have I got it? Yep. So you get remarkably shorter as you use them. I'm sure you can see you've got a coal there.